Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, guys. And in this video, I will be watching a song from Aru Jivitam. Now, this is one highly requested song. So, I'm gonna be watching the song and listening to the song in the original language, which is the Malayalam language. So, the song is called Perione. So, music given by A.R. Rahman. And yeah, let's not delay this any further. Let's listen to the song right away. Damn. Stills from the film? Oh no, sorry. My bad.
Coming here, I could experience what the main character would have gone through. Seeing those camels, seeing those sheep,
Ooh.
and looking at the faces and what they're trying to say, and looking at these rocks, looking at the sand, you gain so much of interaction with nature. And I feel that's very important for the music.
Oh. Damn.
பெரியோனே என் ரஹ்மானே பெரியோனே ரஹீ பெரியோனே என் ரஹ்மானே பெரியோனே ரஹீ അങ്ങകലെ അങ്ങകലെ മണ്ണിൽ പുതുമഴ വീഴണുണ്ടേ മണ്ണിൽ പുതുമഴ വീഴണുണ്ടേ നെഞ്ചിലൊരാളുടെ കണ്ണീർ വീണപ്പോ നെഞ്ചിലൊരാളുടെ കണ്ണീർ വീണപ്പോലെ ഇരുന്നാലും അറിയണുണ്ടേ മിണ്ടാമൺ തരിവാരിയെടുത്തതിൽ കണ്ടില്ല കണ്ടില്ല നിന്നനവ് കണ്ടില്ല കണ്ടില്ല നിന്നനവ് കണ്ടില്ല കണ്ടില്ല നിന്നനവ് പെരിയോനേ റഹ്മാനേ പെരിയോനേ റഹീ പെരിയോനേ റഹ്മാനേ പെരിയോനേ റഹീ
So excited for the release, man. Oh man. It's nothingness, silence.
എത്ര ദൂരത്തിലാണോ എത്ര ദൂരത്തിലാണോ എത്ര ദൂരത്തിലാണോ എത്ര ദൂരത്തിലാണോ ആറ്റക്കിളിയുടെ നോക്കും പറച്ചിലും പുഞ്ചിരിയും കൊച്ചുനുണക്കുഴിയും ആ ഇഷ്കിന്റെ നെക്കുവിളക്കിൻ വെളിച്ചമാണുള്ളിരുട്ടറയിൽ
And that was him? Najib?
ആ കണ്ണിന്റെ തുമ്പത്തെ തുള്ളിയാണെന്നുടെ കൽവിൻ
Is that him?
മരുപ്പരം
Sorry, I don't know. Oh, nice.
പെരിയോനേ റഹ്മാനേ പെരിയോനേ റഹീ പെരിയോനേ റഹ്മാനേ
not just gonna be a film. This is going to be like a different experience altogether. Lovely, lovely. I though cannot even like comprehend how you even survive a place like this. I said that in the trailer also. But just about the song, firstly, fantastic. The it takes you through an emotion, and there's this uh, painful undertone throughout the song. Like you feel a sense of pain, you feel a sense of sadness, just so much melancholy, and then you add these visuals. Unbelievable, unreal. This movie, just everything, every aspect. If it's a song, the teaser, the trailer, everything that I've watched, everything has felt so and so unreal. I cannot like comprehend in proper words, and I just feel it's just a guess because I feel that once I watch this film, and I'm gonna try and catch a show which is like the sooner the better for me. I just feel it's just a guess, but from all the promotional material that I've watched, I feel that while watching also while I watch this film, the experience is also going to feel very very unreal. I feel that I'm just gonna have an out of the body experience while watching this. Just a guess, but I have this very strong gut feeling. And this song is just so like there is so much longingness in this song. There's just so much of pain and longingness when you listen to the song, when you read the lyrics. That's why I just love when the songs have translations. I could have obviously listened to the Hindi version also, which I'm hoping is there. But the point is that the emotion got conveyed so beautifully, and then when it starts, you see the small anecdote from A.R. Rahman where he says that when I'm here at this place, I can only imagine that how much the character would have gone through, and it's not really a character; it's a real person who went through. That's why I said was because the letter writing scene was there. And you see Prithviraj also writing it. So was that Najib? Please let me know. So the way it starts, like from the musical aspect, also it starts with the flute, and then it starts perione perione, and once the verse ends and the hook when the hook drop happens, you see that there is a lot of it's like a cry for help to God, like because the beat also builds up and the chorus builds up, so there is so much pain in the song. Guys, wow, beautiful. It just touched my soul. The song touched my soul. This song touched my soul more than the Hope song. And such a contrast. Let's just see what a message the Hope song is delivering. And just in contrast to that, you have Perione. Unbelievable. But this one just completely pierced through me. This one had more of an impact. Even Hope song had an impact on me, but I feel this one had more impact emotionally. So the instrumentals, all the three vocalists, obviously A.R. Rahman is also the composer, but Rafiq and Jitin, the other two, I think all of them sang really well. It was a great blend of vocals, and then you just see those visuals where Prithviraj is just alone, and you like it's parallel with wherever Prithviraj's character Najib was there, and then you see A.R. Rahman also going through those areas, and the contrast of him just being alone and trying to remember, and then just the visuals of the water, and that line of the moisture, and it's just so metaphorical and just so beautiful and painful at the same time to just comprehend these lyrics and along with the visuals. This movie, I feel I'm like a broken tape recorder at this point, but I'm just gonna cry so much. I just know it. I just know it. Guys, I just know it. So yes, that was the reaction to Perione from Adu Jeevitam, The Goat Life. I was checking today for advance booking. It has not opened here in Delhi NCR. So if I'm pretty sure the advance booking would have opened in Kerala, please let me know if you have booked your tickets already or not in the comments. And yeah, that was the reaction. Those were my thoughts. I'm gonna sign off now from this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this reaction, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.